Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2009 32 Cuddy, brand new trade that we just got on. It's a fantastic boat, has all kinds of options. It's a great fishing boat. It's powered by the twin Mercury 300, so you got a ton of horsepower on the back. You've got the fold-down seat that flips up, makes a nice bowl back, and then we've got a nice prep area in here with a huge live well, so a ton of bait in the back. You can go all day with that without running out of bait. As we move up to the helm, we've got the twin hybrid Raymarine, so you got good electronics here, along with the Simrad autopilot. You got the Fusion stereo VHFs, so you've got all the electronics that you're going to need to take you out and catch some fish. Very large head, so plenty of room down there. You've got the VacuFlush on it, so it's really big. You can change your clothes, that type of thing. So you got plenty of storage down there as well. So very nice, a lot of room in there. Now you've got the L-shaped seating, which is very nice. Got a little cooler in the corner, and then you got a little cuddy, which obviously makes this the cuddy. So you can hang out down there. You can turn it into a bed, so a couple of people can sleep down here. So very versatile. Little sun pad on the bow. Nice big hard top up here with canvas. So the boat has pretty much everything you need to get right out on the water. So if you got any questions, we'd like to come see it. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.